slice on the counter. We break 2 eggs for fun. The spring onion is waiting before the day is done. We mix the milk and pepper, the cheese is going in. This dinosaur creation is where the smiles begin.
The cutter is a fossil. We punch out every shape. The butter's hot and waiting. There's no way to escape. We pour the liquid batter around the little forms and watch it turn to gold now, avoiding kitchen storms.
We flip the golden canvas, spread more cheese on top. 3 folds to make it thick now before the sizzle can stop. From gloved and garnished kitchen, the perfect golden treat. The Dino French toast is ready, quick and sweet.